Yeah, Rahul, good afternoon. I'm Vijender speaking. How are you?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm fine. How are you?
Great, great. Rahul, thanks a lot for your time. And I'm having this interaction with you related to NITI Bombay. And as you know, now NITI ke students have started applying for NITI Bombay through GATE exam. So Rahul,
Yes, sir.
since you are already there, you are studying there. So I want first to give you a brief introduction. I mean, which place you are from and which branch you are from, and आप कौन से कोर्स में हैं नीति बॉम्बे के, एंड योर गेट का स्कोर वगैरह कैसा था?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So, sir, as you already know, my name is Rahul Sood, and I'm from Patiala, Punjab.
Okay.
I have done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from Thapar University,
Okay.
and thereafter I got placed in Honda R&D.
Okay.
So I worked there for around 16 months,
Okay.
and then I wanted to pursue higher studies. So
Okay.
I prepared for GATE, and last year I achieved a rank of 589, All India rank in general,
Okay.
and my GATE score was 805.
Okay.
So I always wanted to pursue higher studies, but at the same time I also wanted to pursue in corporate sector
Okay.
career.
Okay.
So that's why I applied for NITI, and I was fortunate enough to get selected in one of the flagship courses of NITI, which is post-graduation diploma in industrial engineering.
Okay. IE.
Yeah, so basically there are three courses which NITI offers through GATE. So it is IE, Industrial Engineering, and then Project Management, PM, and Manufacturing Management, MM.
Okay.
So while filling the form, you need to fill your priority, that which course you want to pursue, and also you have an option that you can only opt for one course, only apply for one course. So that option you get.
Okay.
So it was a brief intro.
Okay. Okay.
So anything particular?
Yeah. Something about your gate. You said you are from mechanical engineering, right, Rahul?
Yes, sir.
So what is your gate? Did you mention about gate score and all India rank?
Yes, sir. I mentioned that my GATE score was 805.
Okay.
And my GATE rank was All India General 589.
589 रैंक. एनी आइडिया राहुल किस रैंक तक जनरल कैटेगरी में कॉल आ जाता है फॉर ऑल द थ्री कोर्सेज? एनी रफ एस्टिमेट इफ यू हैव? हाँ.
Rough estimate is around, if you are having 1500 rank, All India rank general, then you will get call for all the courses, I guess.
उनमें से कोर्सेज में से कॉल आ जाएगा. दैट इज जनरल कैटेगरी, राइट?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
And
राहुल. हाँ.
course which you will be selected for will depend upon the process, your profile, your marks in 10th, 12th, if you have any work ex, and then the GATE score, and then the performance in GD and PI.
So it depends on all. अच्छा राहुल, यू नो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर जो अभी प्रेजेंटली जिनके पास कैंपस प्लेसमेंट से जॉब ऑफर भी है, और कुछ बच्चों का पब्लिक सेक्टर में भी उनका इंक्लिनेशन होगा, उनको मिलेगा. तो दे कीप ऑन आस्किंग कि शुड वी फर्स्ट गो फॉर जॉब एक्सपीरियंस एंड देन ज्वाइन निटी, या शुड वी फर्स्ट ज्वाइन निटी? एज यू सेड यू वर आल्सो हैविंग जॉब ऑप्शन, तो क्या करना चाहिए उस सिचुएशन में? व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट?
Sir, actually we have both kinds of students in NITI. So around, we can say that there are people who are having experience of around 4 years as well.
Okay.
And there are students who are freshers, who are passed out in this year and they have joined NITI as well.
Okay.
So it basically depends upon what do you want to pursue in your future. For example, like the job I had in Honda Cars India R&D, I was an executive engineer. So, if I had continued my job there, so the designation which I would get from NITI after passing out would be around assistant manager or deputy manager. And in Honda Cars India R&D, it would take around 10 to 12 years of my experience there to get to that designation.
Okay.
So it is quite a huge jump, I would say, in my career. If as I had left Honda and joined NITI, and these 2 years will be equivalent to the 10 to 12 years of experience, I would say.
Okay.
To get to that designation.
Okay.
So I would say that it is personal opinion, I would say, and also that would depend that if you are comfortable in networking with people. And there are some other skills. If you are having good soft skills and all that stuff, then also you can join NITI just after passing out.
Okay. Okay. So Rahul, with this score, as you said, 800 plus score, तो आपको तो काफी opportunities मिला होगा पिछली बार in different places you must have applied, and so how you decided NITI and what other options did you get with this 800 plus score last year?
Yes, sir. So, as we all know that MTech from IITs is also very prominent these years. And I had options of various IITs as well, and also in some of the PSUs I got the call for the interview. But since I got the call after joining NITI, and the environment which I was having in NITI, it basically mesmerized me, I would say. And I didn't even appear for the PSU's interviews as well.
Okay.
And also, I was convinced that I want to pursue my career in corporate sector.
Okay.
So I didn't want to eat up any seat for the other aspirants by appearing in the IIT's MTech interviews and PSU's interviews. So that's why I didn't go there.
तो आपने पहले से डिसाइड कर लिया था, you had decided कि मेरे को NITI मिल जाएगा तो I'll take it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
This was my, I would say, first priority.
अब Rahul, I'll ask you certain questions जो normally students are asking me and us entire team, जो उनके apprehensions हैं. NITI is one of the, whenever they call, I say this is one of the dream place where you can be. Students have certain apprehension. पहला उनका ये होता है कि NITI बॉम्बे में फीस स्ट्रक्चर बहुत बढ़ गया है and we cannot afford it. I mean there are some students जो financial background बहुत अच्छा नहीं है और फीस ज्यादा है. So that is their first basically inhibition to apply in NITI Bombay. What answer will you give to such questions?
Yes, sir. I would also say that I was also not very fortunate to have paid the fees at once. So basically, yes, it was bothering me that this year they have increased the fees by almost 1.5 times, I would say. So basically, this was bothering me, but still, it is a very good option, I would say, and you get education loan very easily.
Okay.
In NITI, there's a SBI Bank branch near NITI. So there you can get it very easily, the loan, if you are applying. And also the administration at NITI is very supportive and they tell you all the information. Basically the documents which you need to get while applying for the loan, and you can get it very easily. And the packages which you will be getting after passing on from NITI, from there you can easily, take out the loan option and you can easily pay the interest and as well the EMIs which you will be getting. And also if you are having then at once you can pay the fees. In 2 to 3 years you will be able to, I guess, free from loan. So
okay, so fees should not bother you. That's what you are saying, right?
Yes, sir, definitely.
Good.
I mean, the opportunities which you get from NITI, yes, you will be hesitant, as I was also very hesitant. The candidate will be hesitant to pay such huge amount of fees. But I would say it is worth it, sir. Okay,
good. So Rahul, another question student ask is about the placements. Okay, placements is very good, but still students fear and they have the apprehension कि अगर हमारा नहीं हुआ placement तो क्या होगा? Though I know this question is not very relevant question for NITI because placement होता है, but still I want to know it from you. अगर ऐसा कोई question पूछता है कि सर placement के बारे में बताओ कि कुछ का तो बहुत अच्छा होता है पर ऐसे भी होते होंगे जिनका नहीं होता है, and what we have to say on that?
Yes, sir. Actually, we are very fortunate here at NITI that there's no one who don't get placed here. Yes, it is true that NITI doesn't offer 100%. They don't really guarantee the 100% placements. But as I have discussed with seniors and also the alumni of NITI, that even during the 2007 recession, I guess, it was 2007, the NITI had got the 100% placement. So placements is the last thing to worry about, I would say, if you are planning to pursue the courses in NITI.
Okay. So placement should not be bothering you, right?
Yes, definitely.
अच्छा राहुल, एक ना स्टूडेंट्स जैसे जिनका स्कोर बहुत अच्छा है, दे आर फ्रॉम दो स्टेट्स लाइक यूपी, बिहार, राजस्थान, जहाँ पे हिंदी में स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल कंपेयर टू इंग्लिश, तो उनको ये चीज बॉदर करता है कि वहाँ पे जीडी है और इंग्लिश में चलेगा तो हाउ दे विल कोप इट अप. लाइक 800 प्लस अगर किसी का है, बहुत अच्छा स्कोर, बहुत अच्छा है, एज यू नो इन द गेट, बट इंग्लिश में कमांड उतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो व्हाट टू से टू सच स्टूडेंट्स?
Sir, I would say that if they are aspiring for NITI, so they should practice, they should appear for mock GDs.
Okay.
And I also appeared for mock GDs with the help of your PDA only. So I went to Chandigarh's campus there.
Yeah.
So basically I attended mock GDs and I got very comfortable. Initially I was very hesitant also to make such entries in GD and all that stuff. But if you have proper guidance, as I would like to mention that if you can practice, because you have around 1.5 months, I would say.
Yeah.
So this time is sufficient for you to gain some confidence and appear for GDPI, and it is not very difficult. It is not very, I would say, like in IIMs we get the GD and PI. It is very technical, and also it is very domain oriented. But here in NITI, the GD topics would be very common. If you are well versed with the newspapers nowadays, if you are reading news, if you are listening to the news and the GD topics, if you are searching on Google, then those generic topics will be given here at NITI during GD. And PI is also very, I would say, your profile oriented. They'll ask you questions like about your hometown, then about your college life, and if you are having any work ex, then they'll ask you about it, and some basic gate questions, which I don't think if you are scoring more than I would say 800 gate score or 750 gate score, then I don't think you'd have to worry about the interview questions.
Okay. मैंने सुना है कि एक जीडी की लिस्ट देते हैं यहाँ पे थोड़े दिन पहले, और उसी लिस्ट में से नॉर्मली वो पूछते हैं. इज दैट करेक्ट? आई मीन सम लिस्ट इज रिलीज्ड बाय NITI जीडी टॉपिक.
Yes, sir. There's a committee which handles the admissions of IE, MM and PM courses. This committee is called Team Impact. So basically, the students who apply for NITI, the Team Impact shares the GD topics, generic GD topics, and mostly I would say, like I would share my experience during my GD and PI. The topic which I got was demonetization.
Demonetization.
Yes, sir. And that topic was shared by Team Impact, and also that was very buzzword, I would say, at that time. So yes, the topics are very generic, and even if you prepare all those topics which are shared by Team Impact, you can qualify GD easily.
तो टॉपिक्स को अगर तैयार कर लें जो करंट में रेलिवेंट टॉपिक होते हैं, देन इट कैन बी डन वेरी इजीली.
Yes, sir.
ओके, दैट कैन बी डन. अच्छा, इसमें राहुल, जैसे अभी आपका फॉर्म आता है इसमें भरने के लिए, तो क्या उसमें ये क्वेश्चंस वगैरह होते हैं कि आपको NITI ज्वाइन क्यों करना है, विच इज कॉल्ड स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस?
सर, ड्यूरिंग आवर टाइम ऑल्सो हाँ थोड़ा बहुत मतलब क्वेश्चंस तो रहता ही है अबाउट, बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो अबाउट यू थ्रू दैट फॉर्म.
ओके.
सो if you can fill it extensively, then that would be good, and that would also show that you are very eager to appear for GDPI, and also you are eager to join NITI as well. So it has a good impression on the panel which they are taking the interviews.
Okay.
So you can take help. I would say I also took help from my seniors, NITI alums, and also your PDA campus as well. So basically I took help from there, and I also filled the form, and I was very fortunate that the questions which were asked to me in the interview was also from all the questions were from that form only.
Good.
So yeah.
Okay, Rahul, this NITI में तो interdisciplinary है, मतलब all branches students join NITI courses. तो कैन यू टेल मी कौन कौन सी ब्रांचेस के बच्चे हैं आपके साथ अभी IE के अंदर, अदर देन मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स?
Yes, sir. There are many branches students here. So electronics is there, electrical is there, computer science is there, agriculture is there, textile is there, and what else?
Okay, textile is also there.
Also there, yeah. Textile is also there. Many branches, and also NITI doesn't really discriminate between the branches.
Okay, so almost every engineering branch is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any idea about basic sciences, like students from physics, chemistry, MCA, mathematics? Any idea about that?
Sir, I don't think that basically NITI is an institute which hires only engineers.
Okay, even computer engineers are there, right? IT and computer engineers, that's there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So all engineering branches are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. That is what all branches are there. So last question, Rahul, I'll ask you is, if some students is really serious for NITI Bombay, what he should prepare as of now? I mean, अभी जो time है उसमें वो क्या तैयारी करे for written exam or for interview or something GD? What he should prepare?
Sir, I think he should appear for mock GDs.
Okay.
I would say.
Okay.
It is a must.
Okay.
And the newspapers, if he can read daily.
Okay.
So it happens that they also give current topics as well, which
Okay.
are going through right now. So it can happen that nowadays we are hearing a lot about CAA and CAB. So it might be possible that they'll give you that in the GD topic. So you should be well versed with the current scenarios which are going in your country.
Okay.
And also, if you can appear for mock PIs, that would be great.
Okay.
And obviously, after appearing for mock GD and PI, you will get to know about your strengths and weaknesses.
Okay.
So you can build up on them and you can improve yourself in certain areas.
Okay.
And also, for PI, there are some technical questions which they ask, but not very technical, only basic questions you can prepare.
Okay.
And I don't think you just have to revise the basic concepts of your engineering branch in which you have done in GATE as well. So these are the must.
अच्छा राहुल, ये 3 फॉर्म्स होते हैं IE, PM, MM. तो स्टूडेंट को कितने भरने चाहिए? बिकॉज देर कॉस्टली ऑल्सो एंड स्टूडेंट नॉर्मली आस्क कितने फॉर्म भरें सर? व्हाट इज योर आंसर टू दैट?
Sir, I would say that you should fill all the 3 forms. It would increase your chances to get into NITI.
Okay.
And also, for example, if you are filling all the 3 options and there are different shortlists which come up. For example, if you are selected for third preference course in the first shortlist, then you can freeze that also and you can wait for the second shortlist as well. And it can happen that you get your second preference or first preference after second or third shortlist. So I would say you should fill all the forms and to increase your chances to get into NITI.
Okay, thanks a lot. Rahul, I think I've taken your sufficient time और आपने जो information दी है that is quite extensive and it will help the students. And if in any case students will be requiring further help from you, then through us we will try to connect you to those students for any kind of help. Those अगर कोई information वगैरह चाहिए, we'll do that. Fine, Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the best and thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. Thank you, and I would like to say all the best to all the students, and may they get the admission in NITI, and it is a very prominent future waiting for them.
Yeah, I know it's Institute of Eminence, and God's its own campus. It looks like it is said God's own campus. Am I right in that?
Yes, sir. It is very beautiful here. The greenery is really good here, and also they have a huge pond inside the campus, and it looks really amazing.
Okay, chalo. Thanks a lot, Rahul. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.